If you've been feeling tired, bloated, or struggling to lose belly fat, your liver might be crying for help. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and follow, because I share powerful, science-based health tips every week that can truly change your life. Now, listen carefully. Your liver works non-stop, filtering toxins, breaking down fats, and keeping your blood clean. But when it gets overloaded with sugar, fried food, or stress, it starts storing fat instead of burning it. That's when fatigue, stubborn belly fat, and even dull skin begin to show up. The good news is there's one simple green herb that can help your liver flush out fat and repair itself naturally. It's called Moringa leaf, often known as the miracle tree. Moringa is packed with over 90 nutrients and 40 antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. Studies in journals such as Food and Chemical Toxicology show these compounds help the liver reduce fat buildup, lower inflammation, and speed up detox enzymes, allowing the liver to heal and function more efficiently. How to take it daily, safe and easy. Moringa tea. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried moringa leaves or powder in hot water for 5 minutes. Drink once daily, preferably in the morning. Smoothie or food. Add 1/2 teaspoon of moringa powder into your smoothie, soup, or juice. Capsules. If you prefer, moringa supplements are available online. You can find many good quality brands on Amazon. Just make sure it's 100% pure moringa leaf, with no added fillers. Start small, be consistent, and you'll notice your energy, digestion, and skin all improving naturally. Remember, your liver never takes a break, but with Moringa, you can finally give it the daily support it deserves. Start today, your body will thank you. If you found this useful, hit follow and subscribe. I'll be sharing more powerful, science-backed health tips that help your body heal, detox, and stay strong naturally.